Hello friends, today we will learn how to make O-rings. We can follow this formula. We can see how to calculate circumference of O-ring. To calculate the circumference of O-ring, multiply the desired O-ring diameter with formula TTPI, which value is 3.14. In this way we can make O-rings. However, we can also make O-rings with trial error method. If we have old sample, we can cut it, straight it on the scale and measure, and of the same cord we can cut from the roll and we can make O-rings. For example, we want to make say 10 centimeter of O-ring. See how to make by using this formula. For making 10 centimeter of O-rings, we need to cut 31.4 centimeter of desired O-ring cord. Now we take 5 mm cord that we want to make O-ring. We will measure it on a scale. We have a scale of 300 mm. I mean 30 centimeter. We can increase some to make it 31.4 centimeter. Now we will cut it very straight. We should remember that the face of the O-ring is very flat so that we can paste it well. Now we will apply adhesive on both the surface face of the O-ring cord and put it on some material like glass or steel and paste it, and we have to leave it for some seconds. Close the adhesive cap. Now its O-ring is pasted well. Now we will remove from the steel plate. See how the glue is adhesive is very good. Now you can see we have made the O-ring and we will measure it and see we have made 10 centimeter O-ring. This formula is very good where on the site there is no availability of perfect O-rings. We can use cord.